Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens. In today's tutorial, I'll walk through how to install both current and previous versions of Sublime Text. If you do not know what is Sublime Text, I will suggest you watch my first video, the link is in the description below, where I go through at a high level what is Sublime Text Editor and why it is worth learning. To install the current version of the text editor, you have to go to the official website at sublimetext.com. And under the download tab in the top right, select the executable file based on the operating system you are using. As I'm running on a Windows machine, I will download the 64-bit executable file. Once the file has finished downloading, then you just have to run it and follow the on-screen prompts. When the installation has finished and you have started the program using the shortcut, you will see a text editor interface similar to what you see now. Now to install previous versions of Sublime Text, you have to right-click the executable file you want to download based on your operating system and copy the link address. Then paste the link in the address bar. Now before you hit enter, you would have to change the following 4 digits for the current build version to the build version that you want, then hit enter, and it will automatically start downloading the Sublime Text Editor for the specified build. If you're not sure which build number to use, I have compiled a complete list in my post on neurasapiens.netlify.com for all previous Sublime Text versions, up until the latest build version of 3211, released on October 1st, 2019. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.